Hello, my name's Oscar. We often travel to beautiful places like this, and we go through a lot of states that are hot, and we often use our AC while we're boondocking. And in certain cases, the generator, our Honda, can barely keep up when the compressor turns on. So there was a solution. I researched and I bought it, the Easy Start 364, which I'm going to show you in a bit. Now come with me. This is the Honda generator, the EU2200i. It's a great generator. It works without the Easy Start 364, but it struggles when the compressor turns on. Now, the Easy Start fixes that. With the Easy Start 364, the AC unit will be able to ease in the Honda generator and it won't overload it. Well, I hope you enjoy the video.
Three peas in a tab.
The first thing we're going to do is take the wood panel off and access the AC unit. Once we do that, we are going to disconnect the air duct. Now, next to the air duct, there is this panel with aluminum tape. Right behind there is a screw that you will need to undo so that we are able to remove the side access panel that will expose the capacitor and wires for the Easy Start. Two screws that are just right back here. You really don't need to deal with this one right here. You only need to remove two that are back there. And this kind of just slides out. Here's a shot of the capacitor. So the only two screws you need to remove are on this side. I think one goes right in there, and then another one right on top of here, behind the tape. Of course, you're going to need to buy some more of the silver tape at the hardware store, which I'm going to do later on. But for right now, we're just going to focus on hooking up the Easy Start 364. Now here's my Easy Start. I will probably install it right here on this side of the panel. Before you begin any work, you will need to punch a hole through that aluminum tape. The first step is to connect the orange wire. This is the easiest of all the wires. You don't have to cut, you don't have to do anything. Just get the orange wire, connect it next to the red wire. I've just hooked up the first wire. The orange one goes right next to the red one. You need to cut this right here in order to work the area. I've disconnected the white and blue wire right here from right there. Right here from right there. I've disconnected that right there. White and blue wire. Now I'm going to connect the blue and white wire to the brown wire on the Easy Start. You can see right there, blue and white to the brown going to the Easy Start. So there's the Easy Start. Here is the brown wire. Here is the blue and white wire, and I'm going to connect these two together. I'm going to cut this right here, clean up the wire, and then connect them together. Now this next wire we're going to cut is the blue and black wire. Now this is going to use a 3-way crimp. And this is the Wago that I'm using, a 3-way crimp. Now for this one, you can see here in the diagram, blue, black wire, 3-way, going to the easy start. We're gonna use this. Now you can cut this wire any convenient location. I'm just gonna probably just, cut it right there in the middle and put my 3-way splice right here. All 3 wires are cut. Now we're going to do the 3-way Wago. Order does not matter. White cable goes to the terminal, and that should be the last one. And then we're gonna try it out. Now we test for 5 minutes. So now the big job is to put all these wires back together inside the compartment. Use some zip ties and that'll be it.